Good morning, everybody, and once again, welcome back to my Apache Hudi table services playlist. This is going to be the part two of that playlist. In the first video, I taught you about how you can leverage metadata indexing and how you can do that in an async mode, right? And it was a fun exercise, I know, easy lab, right? And now in the second lab, I want to teach you about Hudi cleaner services, right? Now, being either copy on write or merge on read table, if it's a copy on write, when updates are coming in, it's going to create new base file, right? In merge on read, when updates are coming in, they are being written into a log file, and later on the compaction happen, and you see this new Parquet base files, right? Now, in either case, you want to delete the older file versions, right? So Hudi gives you an ability to do that. Either you can use inline cleaning agent, or you can do it in async mode. This video focuses on doing it in an async mode, okay? So the general theme of the lab is going to be the same across all the playlist. We're going to ingest some data into Hudi. Again, same thing, orders, right? And then we're going to run Hudi cleaner in an async mode, okay? So hopefully made sense. All right, so we'll get started. So I have this Python file called datagen.py. Same thing again, we have been doing this from all these previous exercises. Run the Python file, it will generate some, CSV data set, close it or stop it, right? Then come to the Spark submit job, okay? And we'll review this in a second. Again, we are using the Hudi Streamer class. We are using the package, the Spark 3.4 bundle package, right? Then over here we provide the jar file, table type copy on write, method as upsert, dedupe key is going to be timestamp. This is the path where my transactional data lake will be created, and I'm ingesting data from a CSV source, and I'm using the class org.apache.hudi.utilities.sources CSV data sources, and then all the Hudi settings or configuration goes inside the prop file. Opening the prop file, we define the primary key, we define the dedupe key, we define the partition. This is important. Okay. Now, since we want to do this in an async mode, right? We're doing cleaning in an async mode. You need to set this flag hudi.clean.async. We need to set that to true. Okay. And this is again from the previous lab because we were doing metadata indexing, right? And then again, this is the path where the CSV data source is, right? Inside the folder called orders. Again, make sure to change this path because again, if you're doing it in your computer, this path would change, of course. So yeah, makes sense, right? So now let's show me Sawmill. Okay, so all right, we gonna copy this, open terminal, and paste the command over here, and this will start the Delta Streamer job. So now again, this will ingest data from the raw source, that is a CSV, into Hudi transactional data lake, and working fine. Oops, my alarm. I actually wake pretty early in the morning to record these videos, by the way. All right, so that's done. And now again, I'm gonna run generate some fake data just to get some more data files, right? Again, running the same data generator, and then again ingesting the data into Hudi transactional data lake. Okay, so copy, and then I'll show you the cleaning part, okay, which is the main goal of the video. Okay. So again, this is again same thing. We are doing the same thing. It's just ingesting some data into Hudi transactional data lake. Okay. Now let's see the cleaning part, right? So I should have it over here. Okay. So for cleaning, to do it in an async, again, two things are very important, right? Number one, these two flags have to be set. Okay. Async needs to be set to true. Hudi clean async has to be set to true. Now the class is going to be org.apache.hudi.utilities.hudi cleaner, providing the Spark bundle package. Depending upon your Spark version, make sure to change these Hudi version and these numbers over here. Okay, I'm using 3.4, and with 3.4, 0.14 goes pretty well. This is a path to my jar file. I'm using Hudi utility slim bundle jar, and only 3 settings that we need. So Hudi cleaner policy, I'm saying, hey Hudi, I want you to use the policy keep latest file version, which means I'm telling Hudi like, hey, when when updates are coming in, you're gonna write new base files, delete my older base files, right? And I'm telling Hudi that, hey, I want you to retain at least the one file version, right? So hopefully that made sense. And now I'm gonna copy this and run it. So let's see. If I have enough commits, I should see .cleaning requested, .cleaning in flight. So if I go right now to the folder, the Hudi folder, I don't see anything called .cleaning there, right? So let me copy this. paste this one here. Okay, so now the cleaner has started, right? It's gonna go, it's gonna be like, okay, do I have any file to clean? Do I have any file to clean? And then it's gonna clean that. So now if we go here, look, yeah, here, look. It's a little bit hard, I know that, but I'll try my best. Here, can you see this? Can you read this probably? Yeah, so you can see that, right? Clean, you got dot clean, right? So that means your cleaner ran successfully, right? So just wanted to, as you can see, cleaner requested, then cleaner in flight, and then the cleaning was complete. Fantastic, right? So this exercise you have learned, okay, what is a hoodie cleaner and why you should be using that, and you also learned how you can use it in async mode. Now again, why I'm stressing on async, right? In real world, most of the time, if you are working with big data, Kafka or stuff, right? Your data is flowing at a high velocity, very high velocity, right? And you're ingesting data into hoodie. So you want to do all these actions in an async mode, because you can do it inline. Again, if you have bad jobs, you can definitely do it inline. There's no question about it. But again, if it's streaming job, it's preferred to do all these in an asynchronous mode. Thank you so much. And this exercise will be found on my GitHub inside the folder called E2. And if you have questions, please do let me know your questions and I'll be happy to answer. With that being said, keep smiling, keep programming, and I'll see you in the next video.